Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Speaks. We are very happy you are here with us today. This is a safe place to learn English slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
Hello, Adam. Hello, dear friends. I am smiling because today's topic is very important. It is something many English learners struggle with every single day.
Yes, Sarah. Today we are talking about a big problem, a very common problem. The problem is translating in your head.
Exactly. Many learners listen to English, then translate it into their own language, then think of an answer, then translate back to English. It is very tiring.
And very slow. Today's title is very clear. Stop translating in your head. Think in English naturally.
Don't worry, everyone. If you translate in your head now, you are not wrong. You are normal. Almost everyone does this at the beginning.
Yes, I want to say this clearly. Translating is not bad. It is a step, but we don't want to stay on that step forever.
Right. Today we will talk about why we translate, why it slows us down, and how you can slowly start thinking in English.
Slowly is important. No pressure, no stress. English learning should feel calm, not scary.
Adam, can I tell a short story?
Of course, Sarah. Stories help us remember.
When I was learning Spanish, I translated everything in my head. Every word, every sentence. My brain felt tired after 5 minutes.
I remember that feeling. Your head feels full, like too many tabs are open.
Exactly. One day, my teacher said something simple. She said, "Stop translating. Just understand the idea."
That is very powerful. Understand the idea, not every word.
At first, it was hard, but slowly, very slowly, my brain changed.
This can happen for you too. But first, let's understand why we translate.
Yes, we translate because our first language is strong. English is new, so our brain uses the strong language to help.
This is normal. Your brain is trying to protect you and help you.
But here is the problem. When you translate, you are doing 3 jobs at one time.
Job 1, listen or read in English.
Job 2, change English into your language.
Job 3, change your answer back into English.
That is a lot of work. No wonder speaking feels slow.
Let's teach an important word here. The word is automatic.
Automatic means something happens by itself. You don't think much.
For example, walking is automatic. You don't think about every step.
Our goal is automatic English. English without translation.
Now, let's talk about a big mistake many learners make.
They think, I must stop translating now.
That thought creates stress.
Stress blocks learning.
Instead, we say, I will reduce translation slowly.
Small steps. Always small steps.
Let's give our listeners a very simple exercise.
Yes, everyone listening, do this with us.
Look around you right now.
Find one object.
Maybe a table, maybe a phone, maybe a cup.
Now don't translate, just say the English word in your head.
Cup,
Chair.
window.
This is step 1. Thinking in single English words.
Very easy, very powerful.
Many learners try to think in full sentences too fast.
But we start small. Words first.
Adam, let's talk about pictures in the mind.
Yes, this is important.
When you hear the word apple, don't translate.
See an apple in your mind.
Red, green, fresh.
Images are faster than translation.
Your brain loves pictures.
Children learn this way.
Exactly. Children don't translate. They connect words to images.
Let's practice together.
I will say a word, you imagine it.
Ready.
Beach,
Sun,
coffee.
friend.
If you can imagine, you are already thinking in English.
Now let's talk about daily thoughts.
This is my favorite tip.
Me too.
Start talking to yourself in English. Very simple English.
For example, I am hungry.
I am tired.
I need water.
Don't translate, just say it.
At first, it feels strange.
But soon it feels normal.
Your brain learns patterns.
Let's teach another word. The word is pattern.
A pattern is something that repeats.
English has many patterns.
I am plus feeling.
I want plus thing.
When you use patterns, thinking becomes easier.
Let's give examples.
I am happy.
I am learning English.
I want coffee.
I want to speak English well.
See? No translation needed.
Adam, many learners ask, what about grammar?
Good question.
Grammar is important, but grammar comes later.
First, communication.
First, understanding.
Grammar improves with exposure.
Exposure means seeing and hearing English many times,
Podcasts, videos, simple stories.
especially listening.
Listening helps your brain think in English.
But listening must be easy.
Yes, if it's too hard, your brain translates again.
Choose slow, clear English.
Like this podcast.
Exactly.
Let's share a mini story.
Yes, a short one.
One of our listeners, Ali, sent us a message.
He said, I understand English, but I can't speak.
We asked him one question.
Do you think in English?
He said, no, I translate.
We gave him one task.
5 minutes a day, talk to himself in English.
Simple sentences, daily life.
After 1 month, he sent another message.
He said, I speak faster now. I don't panic.
That is progress.
Not perfect English, but real English.
Let's talk about panic.
Panic kills thinking.
When you panic, your brain goes back to your language.
So stay calm.
Breathe.
Speak slowly.
Slow English is good English.
Another tip is labeling.
Yes, label your world in English.
Door, mirror, bed.
You see the word every day.
Your brain learns naturally.
No translation.
Now let's do a short practice together.
Everyone listening, repeat after me in your mind or out loud.
No translation, just English.
I wake up.
I drink water.
I check my phone.
I start my day.
These are daily thoughts.
When English becomes part of your day, thinking changes.
Let's be honest.
Yes,
You will still translate sometimes.
and that is okay.
Don't fight your brain.
Guide it.
English thinking is a habit.
Habits take time.
Months, not days.
Be patient with yourself.
Now let's talk about a big mindset change.
Stop trying to be perfect.
Perfection blocks fluency.
Fluency means flow, not perfection.
Mistakes are signs of growth.
Say that again.
Mistakes are signs of growth.
If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak.
Speak first, correct later.
Adam, I love this topic.
Me too. It changes everything.
Let's give our listeners a simple daily plan.
Step 1. 5 minutes thinking in words.
Step 2, 5 minutes talking to yourself.
Step 3. Listen to easy English.
Every day,
No breaks.
even on busy days.
Even on tired days.
Small effort beats big plans.
Before we end, let's reflect.
Thinking in English is not magic.
It is practice.
It is exposure.
It is patience.
One day you will answer without translating,
That day will surprise you
and you will smile.
because you are thinking in English,
Dear listeners, you are doing great.
even if progress feels slow.
Slow progress is still progress.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video.
Subscribe to Mr. English Speaks for more real English conversations.
Write a comment and tell us one English sentence you think every day.
Share this video with a friend who translates too much.
Let's learn together, one word at a time,
One thought at a time.
one day at a time.
See you next time.
Keep learning, keep speaking, keep believing.